Krypton, the hidden technology. Krypton technology has developed a method of producing graphics that display information on two levels, where the first is seen in the visual spectrum, while the other in the infrared spectrum. These graphic images represent properties of substance in the wavelengths region of the electromagnetic spectrum from 400 to 1000 nanometers. These images can be of paintings and secured documents, or on cloth, such as uniforms. With this technology, and through developed software, it will be possible to quantitatively determine the difference between each pictorial element. The Krypton technology technique of protection is implemented for detection in a range of 450 to 1000 nanometers. This figure shows an example where the image of an old town is concealed in a printed image of horsemen using the infrared IR method with three filters of 570, 715 and 1000 nanometers. In this example, one printed image carries a two-image display of information. While the original image is visible to the human eye, the other is only seen in the infrared range of the spectrum. Print with Krypton technology effect shown on the visible part of the spectrum. RGB and the image of the old town invisible to human eyes with three filters: 570 nanometers, 715 nanometers, and 1000 nanometers. Practical applications. Krypton technology has many practical applications and methods of implementation. It brings a completely different approach to looking at color and dyes, processing of digital images and their final reproduction. All of today's advanced methods of algorithmic creation of color structures for reproduction are directed to the area of human vision. Methods such as color separation for printing, CMYK and RGB printing processes, and multicolor separation algorithms are intended for improving image quality in printing technology with different kinds of inks. Unlike many others, this method is completely non-destructive and, for example, when compared to those used in the study of manuscripts and prints, has improved value in addition to speed of detection and simplicity of use. Graphic view of the electromagnetic spectrum and the ranges of interest. Cross-section of classification of IR sources, IR filters, and CCD sensors. Krypton, the hidden technology. Krypton is not just a simple software, it is a complete system. Krypton is a combination of tools capable of displaying the hidden image under the main one. The software displays the hidden image using the Krypton algorithms. Then it is possible to obtain the final image thanks to the combination of the special Krypton printer and Krypton toner. This file is created with a series of algorithms that recalculate the angle of the printing and the refraction of light. The final print of the Krypton image is performed by the Krypton printer that elaborates the algorithms generated and sends them to the special Krypton toner. This printing toner is specially designed to maintain the correct separation of the colors during the printing phase in order to make it possible to define the hidden image. Only the synergistic combination of the whole system can generate the Krypton image. Here is a descriptive flowchart. Krypton equipment. In order to complete the Krypton's printing process, a Krypton printer with its unique Krypton toner is needed. As shown in the flowchart, in order to obtain the hidden image in the final stages, there has to be communication between the security printer and the security toner. Krypton security printer will decodify the algorithms derived from the encrypted file by use of special electronic equipment. The user's fingerprint is needed in order to verify and authorize the printing of the file. In order to have triple security confirmation before printing, the special Krypton toner is needed. This printing toner is specially designed to maintain the correct separation of the colors during the printing phase, in order to make it possible to define the hidden image. In addition, The printing process is only possible if the microchip inside the toner packaging is not tampered with at all. Krypton commercial applications. This system can be used in many different fields for the anti-counterfeiting of products. All too often, food, coffee, soft drinks, mineral water, and other consumables are counterfeited and sold on the shelves of supermarkets as originals. These are almost always low-quality products that can affect the health of consumers. Using the Krypton technology control system and inserting it directly in the label of the product, both the retailer and consumer can be sure of the authenticity of the purchased product. The same is applicable to pharmaceuticals, where the situation is even more dangerous because of the possibility of buying fake or expired medicines. With the Krypton technology, the fear of purchasing counterfeit medicine is greatly reduced because the whole process of anti-counterfeiting is tackled at the origin of the product and inserted by the pharmaceutical company directly on the boxes or in the label of the pharmaceutical product. Hidden images are primarily used to identify and certify the identity and originality of the product. They can be a vehicle for information, reporting websites or QR codes, or they may contain instructions on how to provide feedback. Krypton tools. To display the hidden image created with the Krypton technology, we have developed different tools. Our research is always in progress for new solutions. Here are some examples. Krypton Wear Glasses Detector. Krypton NIR Camera Scanning Detector. Krypton for Food Industry Applications. Krypton for Food Industry Applications. Krypton for Food Industry Applications. Krypton applications for pharmaceutical anti-counterfeiting. For someone with advanced technical know-how, a piece of chalk or some flour or starch can be shaped into a tablet or pill. With the naked eye, it is almost impossible to tell it's a fake or a copycat. Labeling and packaging are often imitated to perfection. The global counterfeit drug trade, a billion-dollar industry, is thriving in Africa. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, about 100,000 deaths a year in Africa are linked to the counterfeit drug trade. For example, a 2009 raid in Uganda conducted by Interpol and the WHO-supported group IMPACT, International Medical Products Anti-Counterfeiting Task Force, discovered 5 tons of fake drugs in the central and eastern districts of the country. There are some different methods to protect the pharmaceutical industry from counterfeiting, and Krypton can apply its hidden print technology both on the box and on the conventional oral dosage forms. This will ensure increased security of the products even when they are separated from the original package. Krypton. No limit to security.